Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to crochet this beautiful double colored beanie. Let's get started. Start by making a slip knot and chain your desired length. Here's how my chains look so far. Half double crocheting the chains starting with the second chain from your hook. Here's how mine looks, I'm sure yours looks the same. Now time to change colors. To change colors, all you do is yarn over with your new color and just continue crocheting with your new color in your original stitches, but make sure you add that little strand of yarn just to make sure your project doesn't break. Half double crochet for the rest of the stitches. Repeat 2 rows of one color half double crochet, then switch colors and 2 rows of half double crochet. Keep going until you reach your desired width when your half fits all around your head comfortably. Here's how mine looks. Time to add a new color. Here's how my final result looks, I'm sure yours looks the same. Fold your rectangle in half, then single crochet in both halves. weave in the ends. Make sure you do this part carefully because if you don't weave in the ends properly, your stitches can get undone. Take some yarn and skip a bit of space, then insert for a space. You will see what I mean when I start. Pull tight. Make a knot and weave in the ends. All done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoy the content that I put, make sure you like, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications so you never miss my new videos. Bye!